Hello students, let's read this question. We have to factorize all of the following. So let's start with first. In first we have 4p square minus 9q square. We can write this as 2p whole square minus 3q whole square. This is making an entity of a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So we can write this as 2p plus 3q into 2p minus 3q. Now move on to the second one, that is 63a square minus 112b square. So we can take 7 common from this. Inside we get 9a square minus 16b square. We can further write it as 7 into, inside we can write this as 3a whole square minus 4b whole square. So this is again making the identity of a square minus b square. So we can write this as 7 into 3a plus 4b into 3a minus 4b. Now move on to the third one, that is 49 x square minus 36. We can write this as 7x whole square minus 6 square. So this is again making the identity of a square minus b square. So this will give us the factors as 7x plus 6 into 7x minus 6. Now move on to the fourth one, that is 16x to the power 5 minus 144 x cube. Now we can take 16x cube common. Inside we get x square minus 9. We can write this as 16x cube. Inside we can write this as x square minus 3 square. So this will again making the identity of a square minus b square. So we can write this as 16x cube into x plus 3 into x minus 3. Now move on to the fifth one, that is L plus m whole square minus L minus m whole square. So we can write this as, this is a square minus b square. That means we can write this as L plus m plus L minus m into L plus m minus L minus m. So opening this, we can cancel out m from m, and here we can cancel out, we can write this as 2L into, this will be L plus m, this will be minus L plus m. So L cancel out and we get 2L into 2m. That means finally we get the answer as 4LM. Now move on to the sixth, that is 9x square y square minus 16. We can write this as 3xy whole square minus 4 square. Again, this is making the identity of a square minus b square. So we can write this as 3xy plus 4 into 3xy minus 4. Now move on to the seventh one, that is x square minus 2xy plus y square into minus z square. So we can write this as, inside it is an identity of a minus y whole is a minus b whole square. That means it will be x minus y whole square, and this is z square. So again it is making the identity of a square minus b square. So we can write this as x minus y plus z multiplied by x minus y minus z. Now move on to the eighth one, that is 25 a square minus 4b square plus 28 bc minus 49 c square. So we can write this as 25 a square minus, if we take minus common, inside we will get 4b square minus 28 bc plus 49 c square. Now we can write this as 25 a square minus, inside we can write this as 2b whole square minus 2 into 2b into 7c plus this will be 7c whole square bracket close. So this will give us as 25 a square minus, inside it will be identity of a square minus b square. So this will give us the value as 2b minus 7c whole square. So this is again making the identity of a square minus b square. If we write it as 5a whole square minus 2b minus 7c whole square. So further solving this, we get the value as 5a plus 2b minus 7c into 5a minus 2b plus 7c. Now, this way we have factorized all of the following. So, hope you understand it well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.